What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Boys Family Dinner. We like to eat on a budget.
Today we are going to be making a treat with our leftover Halloween candy.
Ooh.
Raven, do you want to pick a candy out for you?
Ooh, which one?
Did you go trick-or-treating?
Which one for Ray Ray?
Which one? Yeah,
This
which
one?
one? The sucker.
Ooh.
Is that your favorite? Alright, you guys, so we are going to be making a giant pizooky in our skillet. We got this bag of cookie mix on sale at the grocery store for like $1. So we are going to start by adding that to our mixing bowl.
Okay, then it asks for a whole stick of butter that's softened. You're gonna just have this out and trying to warm it up a little bit so it's a little bit softer. Okay, and then 1 egg that I hid in my pocket so Ray Ray didn't crack it. Whoa! Okay, make sure there's no shells. And then that's actually it. We're just gonna go ahead and mix it until it's all mixed.
So we handed out some Twix and pretzels this year, and we have a few left over. So we are just going to chop these up to add them to our cookie dough batter.
So we got the oven preheated to 375, just following the packet instructions. We're gonna add just a little over half, and we're gonna sprinkle some on top at the end. So we're gonna crush up the pretzels as we put them in. The kind of fun part is that you'll have some bigger pieces, some not so big pieces. You get a little mix of both. And then we're gonna add kind of the same amount of our Twix that are fine, are chopped rough, and same idea. Some big pieces, some littler pieces. Leave some to sprinkle on at the end, okay? And then we'll just go in and mix that all up with our hands. We're gonna transfer over our dough to our cast iron, and we're just gonna spread it out to try to make it a little even. This would work in a cake pan, in a baking dish, really, whatever. We, you guys know how we love our cast iron. We haven't used it in a little bit, but we love using our cast iron, so we're gonna spread that out even here, and then we'll pop it in the oven. You can see how mixed in everything is. That looks so freaking good.
Alright, we are all ready to go. Watch out, bud. We're just gonna put this in the oven for 10 minutes.
Okay, so it's about done. So we're gonna take it out and look out, buddy. Ooh, look how good that looks. It's a little underdone, just how we like it. While it's still hot, you want to just take your favorite ice cream. Today we're doing Bluebell. Put it right on top and see how it just settles in and starts melting. And top it off with our pretzels. A little bit more pretzel and Twix action. Boom. There it is. All right, y'all. We're gonna give it a shot. Hot. So good. Mmm. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. You want some, bud?
Oh yeah. Oh,
So sweet and salty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Perfect combination, you guys.
That's it for us. Thanks for watching.